Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and we just found a huge car wash. This place doesn't even show up like on Apple Maps, but it's 16401 Bolsa Chica Street in Huntington Beach, California. So right now, Mr. Cameraman is in there with our camper, and then the casita we're just gonna pull in right behind. But over here, they do have a really cool fragrance gun. So you can choose, I don't really know how it works, but you choose your aroma and then you can shoot it in with that. And then they have vacuums also. I said vacuums. It's only one vacuum over there. And then right here, this is what the inside of the bay looks like. So you've got all of these different options. And then you can do money, cash, or coins. And then they've got the soap gun or the sprayer. And then they've got the soapy brush. The camper is getting a bath. Okie dokie. Mr. Cameraman seems pretty happy with this car wash. And now we are pulling the casita in, and he's gonna give the casita a much needed bath. And then they do have this little sink over here. Not sure what it's for. It says you can't drink it. And then they just have the usual little car vending area with a bunch of different options for you. And then they do have another vacuum and another spray gun on this side. And so this one makes more sense. So these are the options you can choose from. I think those are pretty cool. We've never actually used one before, but whenever a car wash has them, we like them. And again, me and Zena are gonna talk about the plants. Look at how beautiful the landscaping is. I know that this is actually the landscaping for the whole little shopping center, but that does not mean it is not super beautiful. Me and Zena like to see all of the plants. Hey, are you ready? Are you ready to go home? Well, Mr. Cameraman said that he thinks that the spot free is working pretty well. If it ends up not being spot free, you will see a little extra clip right here. But if you didn't see anything extra right there, the spot free worked amazing, and you should definitely come check out this car wash. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.